Making eye contact comfortably. We send messages to others just by moving our bodies, including our eyes, faces, and arms. A person's eyes can send us important messages. Oftentimes, people look with their eyes to show they are interested in a conversation or paying attention. This is called eye contact. We know using eye contact can be difficult, uncomfortable, or even painful for some. If using eye contact feels challenging, we can use visual referencing. Instead of looking at someone with our eyes all of the time, we can take breaks. Look up when you can to check the face of the person you're talking with. Look in a person's general direction, instead of directly at their face or eyes. Using eye contact or visual referencing can be helpful for us as listeners too. When we look at someone with our eyes, we try to notice their body language. This means we look for clues on how a person is feeling by looking at their body position, arms, eyes, and facial expression. Remember, we all express ourselves differently. It's important we stay true to ourselves and use the strategies and tools that make us feel most comfortable. To use visual referencing, we take breaks. Use eye contact when you can to check the face of the person you're talking with. Look in a person's general direction instead of directly at their face or eyes. Let's watch Angel use visual referencing when she's talking with her friend.
Hey, Bruno.
Hey, what's up?
You'll never guess where I went this weekend. Bruno was smiling. I think he's excited to hear my story.
Where?
I went to the skate park. It was so fun.
Can you stay on your skateboard any longer now?
Yeah, I'm much better.
Wow, I wouldn't last 2 seconds.
Did Angel use her eyes to look at Bruno when they were talking? She did. Let's see what everyone was thinking.
Eye contact makes me uncomfortable. It felt better to look up every once in a while to make sure Bruno was interested.
Angel doesn't like looking at people's eyes. She does what works for her.
Angel had a great conversation using visual referencing. She didn't have to look at Bruno the whole time in order to tell her story or notice how he was feeling. Instead, she was able to take breaks and use her eyes to glance at Bruno's face and body language. They both felt comfortable having the conversation. So, what did we learn? To use visual referencing, we take breaks. Use eye contact when you can to check the face of the person you're talking with. Look in a person's general direction instead of directly at their face or eyes.